Hand clapping, foot stomping, call and response, body percussion. These are some of the many recognizable characteristics of playground hand games. But do you know where they come from? The history and cultural significance of hand games has its roots in African culture, where song and dance were integral parts of everyday life. When African people were enslaved and taken to the United States, they brought these traditions with them. Music and play, and by extension, hand games, became crucial avenues of self-expression. Through the years, the tradition was carried on and advanced by Black girls all over the world. Fast forward to modern times, the influence of hand games can be seen everywhere. From the lyrics of hip-hop songs like Nelly's Country Grammar to your favorite NBA player's pre-game handshake. And even TikTok, you see the influence of hand games in the latest dance trends. These games are just one way that Black girls are shaping American culture now and into the future.